It's a debut and been 17 years in the making and is matter of weeks. It's, it's one that will grab the attention of millions of Americans. Billions of retail tickets will imagine across 15 sets and Washington DC, with some possibly coming out as early as late April on the first week of the May, said Ken Christie. A period of religious and deemed behavioral and natural science at Mount St. Joseph University in Cincinnati. This year group Conan Bruces in the largest on the 17 years balloon in both the density of geographical area and will the name of a sound dramatically access technology, the Roman nebula, and in this instant Christie told. Where will the blue ducks do series emerge? Estimately at the three major parts of the likely to see largest found is the Canadian. Christie said. The soundest of Cornell, Pennsylvania, almost the military post of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, a few areas in the New York, Julio, almost the entire state of Indiana, the few areas western Illinois, and northwest parts of Kentucky, western North Carolina, east and just counting around West Tennessee and the northern part of Georgia. Overall, the last emerges will defect District Columbia and the last part place Princess Delman, Rogers, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, New Jersey, New York, New California, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, and West Virginia. When are the cicadas coming? When soil temperatures is 64 degrees, a few inches below the ground of the cicadas have the start emerging. The usually comes with the first second step when the temperature reaches the low 80s. Christie said, "It is hard to make predictions other than just looking at the term climate trends," Christie said, but energy those temperature makes comes earlier. The southern states do not give you good right condition for the blue days emerges around the first of many. Maybe cities of the cold reach the point near the middle of the May. But Christie's the blue days areas the sea the unusually warm April for the discuss earlier than past years. How loud can the swarm of sea get? Will doing courage studios under the touch of tree. Christie estimate thousands of cicadas the surrounding areas. Being a few away, the mention is the inside sound of 90 centimeters. Silently, the yellow flying airplane, which is the above the 80 degrees, the individuals will traveling over 17 years and they won't have only purpose of the is made and producer. Said from the Grand University of Tennessee and most. So they going to make a lot of noise. The rest females have made comparative males of about fleshing their muscles. They have to make their durable gadget when they told to become a standard part of the network. Made sick they have the special robots version called the temple. Why not the flex muscles are rubbed together for the sound? Do people regularly eat cicadas? Yes, when it is read again back in the 18th century, showing the people would eat a swimming incident inside the was trade them myself could. Once I can make a diabetes eating them, this is the end of the code. Hunger is better to make that guide editing that the best when everything right after the mortal. They say still soft the pressing the cock and them making good stuff free and they good attempting and sweets in 2004. The last blue tax warning for parts of your country, the group called the Cicadas. The University of Maryland released a cookbook filled with recipes for the bugs, including the dishes of soft canaries, cicadas dumplings,